In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your search history on Safari. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings and then scroll down until you find Safari. And here scroll all the way down until you find Clear History and Website Data. Just tap on it, and now it says that clearing will remove history, cookies and other browsing data. History will be cleared from devices signed in to your iCloud account. And in order to clear your search history, just hit right here at Clear History and Data, and now hit on Close tabs, and that's it. I have just cleared my search history on Safari. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.